was going to have to make a decision about, have we maxed out? Are we going to have to turn clients away because we can't handle more? Or is there a solution out there that's going to make it so we can grow our team and still manage the workflow and add more clients? I was more than a year looking for teamwork. When we found that product, it changed everything for us. There was a time involved to set up all of the tasks. We are very recurring task heavy, but once that was set up and I integrated our team into that flow, I probably spent half an hour to an hour tops with the team, walking them through, this is how you do the things that we need to do within our organization. We immediately felt like the weight was off our shoulders, that we didn't have 3 places to go check which list we were working on that day and which tasks needed to be done. But it immediately freed up the brain space for me to be able to be excited about taking more clients. And that started to roll in right away. And within a very short period of time, we went, we increased by 40%. We are able to produce a year end for our client much faster than we were before. That's a good feeling to have, that we are, I don't want to use the word we're ahead. That sounds like I might need to knock on wood, but we are definitely on pace all the time. And that feels amazing.